Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I am Panda Girl Gamer. Today I am playing Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. In the last game we have checked off all the characters from this game. So I was the squirrel Mario, whatever you may call him, but whatever. So now we're gonna go with Cat Peach. Ooh, we got some new, whoa, that's a new spiffy car. Okay, we got some cool wheels. We're gonna do this. So stay tuned, guys. We are going to just play and let's see if Cat Peach will win the race. So let's get started, guys. Alright, we're just gonna get the race going. If you guys want me to do another challenge, let me know in the comments, like not using the items or blindfolded again or something else, guys. Just let me know in the comments below. I think I'm getting sick or something. It sounds like I'm getting sick, but I hope not. Alright, let's do this. We're not doing the new games, but here we go. Oh, I hit a villager. Oh my god. Come on, Cat Peach. Okay. She is the lead. Oh, I hit the birds. Sorry. I hit the pretty birds. I didn't mean to. Alright, we're not gonna get those mushroom things to try to eat me. I got money again? What the heck? Alright, we're doing good so far. We got nobody behind us. Sweet. Money? Why do I always get money? Like, it's just... Like, seriously? I don't need it. I only got 10. Oh, come on. Somebody shrunk us. Oh, man. Ah! I almost hit those mushroom dudes. Alright. Peach, let's do this. Oh, yeah, you're on a roll. Don't hit your banana. Oh, I hit the mushroom dude. Yeah. Awesome, Cat Peach. Alright. Let's race. Oh my god, everything's upside down. Oh god, okay, we're good, we're good. Hello, Mr. Squidward, and he pooped on my face. Oh god. Get that thing out of my face, thank you. No! Oh, thank God the banana rescued me. Thank you. Oh no, that blue shell's coming to me. No! 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 I hate that thing. But I can't get off to the cliffs because the fences are in the way. Well, except for there. No, I lost my stuff. Got a little... Oh, she's grown up. Okay. Go, Cat Peach. Yeah. Let's go. I don't need money. Oh, I guess I do because I lost them. Go. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Nah! I hate that. Ow. I was just going to get off the cliff, but that didn't work. No. Oh, God. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. Man. I hate those things. Hope I'm not going to get them again. Where the heck am I? Oh, yeah. Here we go. Oops, I hit a tree. No. No. All right, well, she had won the first game. Yeah, Cat Peach. All right. Let's go to the next one. All right. Ooh, this one's a harder one. All right, Peach. Second race. Alright. Oh, there's all the cool... Oh my gosh. I should have watched where I was going. I was looking at the boats. Ah. Come on, let's go. No. I don't want the red... Where the heck did you come from, Toad? Oh, dear God. Oh, we're good. I'm gonna get him. I got a banana, so does he. He's waiting for me so I can slip on it. Heh, miss. Oh my gosh, somebody's spitting fire. Spit Toad, please. Oh, not me. Like, really? I gotta beat Toad. He's beating me. I'm going this way. Come on, give me something good. Well, that's not what I want, but okay. Yeah. Alright, we are first. Toad is history. Well, this is his village. There's a lot of toads here, so. Second, come on, Peach. Princess Peach. Or Cat Peach. You are cat. Ooh, I should have got on those things. That's cool. I hit that. I'm not having a good day. Come on. Maybe next time I'll go up there and see where that takes me. Come on, Mr. Squidward. Stop pooping me. I can't see. Oh, now I can. Never mind. The Statue of Liberty over there. That's cool. I did not see it. Whoa, oh God, oh Lord. Can you guys see it? Oh, it's her. The Statue of Peach Liberty. That's cool. I did not see that. I thought it was just a statue of Liberty, but it's Peach. Alright. Oh, I wanted to go there. Oh, well. Maybe the next one I can, because nobody's right behind me. I got a coin. Whoa, I almost hit those poles. Whoa. No, I don't. You bums. Go, 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 go. I'm going to go up here. I've never been up this way before. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That was awesome. Oh, Lord. Kumbaya. Okay. Squidward, get off of me. He pooped on me. No. Here comes the train. Choo-choo. Yeah, you don't want to hit the trains, then they'll slow you down or they'll crunch you. See the statue over there, guys? That's Peach. Yeah, in the middle. So we're in New York of Toadsville. Yeah, cool. Toadville. That sounded weird. Toadsville. There we go. And the winner is Cat Peach. Wow. She won the second race. Yeah, girlfriend. Yeah, I know you're showing those paws. All right, let's go to the next race and see who will win. Oh no, the Twist Mansion. Oh no, I don't like this at all. But we'll try our best. Third. All right. This is so creepy. This is like in a nightmare. That's what it is, guys. If you guys think this level makes you have nightmares, let me know. Let me know in the comments, because it does. You're trying to find your way out, and there's like ghosts everywhere trying to hurt you. You're like, oh my God, I can't get out. We're doing good. Donkey Kong's in behind my butt. Don't hit me. Oh, I almost did. I hit someone, but it almost hit me. I was like, dear God. Oh no! I spoke too soon. Go! Red shell hit me. I got money. Come on, Squidward. Give me a break. That's when I named him. Hi, Boo. Hello, Boo. Oh, my Lord. Go, 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 go before they catch up. Go. Ooh, the library. I like to read books. This mansion's kind of cool, actually. Scary, but it's cool. There's those fish that just came out of nowhere. Thank God. I'm itchy. Sorry if I'm not really excited for today, guys. I think I'm catching something. Like, I'm not really feeling well, so I apologize. But I'll feel better soon. Whew. I don't got COVID, no. I just probably have a cold. I thought that was the final. Or I thought I was done. I guess not. Keep going, Peach. She's like, oh man, I gotta keep going. Yep, Missy, you do. No! Darn! Like, why? Stop giving me red shell. We're going under the water. Oh, great, now I can't see. Thank you. I gotta get that washed off. There we go, that's better. Oh, yeah. Up, up, and away. Oh, Lord, kumbaya. No, no, no. Oh, my God. Good thing I didn't get double. It would have been terrible. Hey, that rhymes. Double trouble. Or, no, double horrible. Maybe it doesn't rhyme. Sorry. Oh, yeah. Peach is the winner. Again. Yeah. Ooh, ooh. Catwoman. Ooh, ooh. Cat Peach. Ooh, ooh. All right. Oh, my God. I almost lost my mic. All right. I think the other one is going to be the finals. Shy Guy Falls. Ooh, pretty. Final race, guys. Wish me luck. Whoops. I pressed my mic or pushed my mic. All right, Cat Peach. It's now or never. Now or never. We got to beat these guys and don't go off a cliff. Thank you. A rainbow. I love rainbows. They make you so happy. Oh, that was a cool pose, Peach. Did the Gundam style. That's what she did. Go, kitty girl. Whee! Every coin. Oh my God, we're going down the waterfall. Woohoo! I believe I can fly. I want to go. Oh my God. Go, 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 go. I did it. I did it. Oh yeah. That was hard. I hit the wall. Oh yeah. Showed your butt. She just showed her butt. Thank you, Peach. Thank you. The cat. No! Go. Go. Oh my Lord. I was going to have another one. That scared me. Let's go. Okay, there's... No. Oh my God. Oh my God. I almost went off. Another rainbow. Well, it's the same rainbow. Makes everybody... Oh, yep. The Gundam style she's doing. Oh, no. Oh, come on. Give me a break, guys. Give me a black. Huh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. I'm going fast. Kaboom. Nobody's there anyway. Ah, we're going to the waterfall. Weeha. Can I go in there? Yeah, that was perfect. Oh, Lord. Oh, God. Come on, go, Peach. All right. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Show your butt. Oh. That didn't go. No, I'm on the grass. Go. Toad's catching up. I could see on my map. All right. The last. Let's win this. Don't hit the wall. I don't care if you got coins and you just hit the wall. Okay. Yep, Gundam style again. Oh, okay, go, go, go. Go, go, Gadget. Oh, yeah. Let's see if I can make it up the top of that mountain again. Oh, I'm pretty sure I'm going to. Oh my gosh, I almost missed that. Here we go. Cowabunga! I believe we can do it. Yes, we did it. That's the third time. Yeah. Oh, I don't want to see your butt. Thank you. My nose itchy. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. She did it again. We're going to win. Come on, Paige. Come on. Oh, yeah. We have finished the racing. We are going to be crossing off Cat Peach. Yeah, we have finished the level. And see what we get. I think a trophy. Oh, my nose itchy. Let's check it out. Come on. I don't want that. We have a trophy. Yeah. 3 stars. We got 60. Well, guys, that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my videos. If you do, make sure you smash the like button. Just smash the heck out of it. Just get a hammer and smash the thing. And if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so it'll let you know when I make more videos. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Tomorrow will be a Nickelodeon Racing as well. Oh, no. Tomorrow, guys, there's a new game coming out on the Nintendo Switch. It's called it's called the Wii Sports, but in Nintendo Switch. I will be buying that tomorrow, and I won't be playing the Nickelodeon Racing anymore. So tomorrow we're going to do the sports. Yay! I'm so excited. It's coming out tomorrow. I will be getting it, guys, and you guys are going to watch me play. You're going to watch me how suck I am. So, yeah, I hope you guys are excited for that, because I am. I hope you guys are excited because it is coming out tomorrow. The Wii Sports of Nintendo. Okay, that is it for today, guys. Just letting you guys know it's coming out tomorrow. And this is Panda Girl Gamer. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, guys.